Hi guys, today we have a bulk product, highlightable product editor. It is an app in Shopify App Store that keep it possible to manage your store with the high professionality and high manipulation. Today I'm gonna present this app to you. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, and let's get started. When you search the highlightable product editor and you download it, you set up it in your you get set up it in your Shopify store, you're gonna find this interface in the first time. But here I have this number because I work with this tool. So I'm gonna explain all this thing to you. So that this is highlightable product editor. It is possible by this tool to see how many products you have in your store, or filter your products, and yeah. Also, by this tool you can do an edit. You can edit your products or your items, title, description, barcode, tags, descriptions, price, the inventory, a lot of things. And this is bulk update. That is, by this tool you can update your items. You update the price, update the description, update the titles, update anything. Product export, that is a part that you can export all the information for all the products, or you can choose any information that you want from products, like the number of the number of inventory still. Like you have when you put in the first time 100 item for like a jersey, and after a time it's again you by time you want to know how much this how many jerseys that you have in your inventory, so you can download it in your computer by an Excel file. Yep. Or you can choose any information that you want from here. I'm gonna show you an example, of course. All the example I'm gonna show it to you to understand more and more. So here you have the information possible to have, like category, product, and all this thing. Yep, all this informations. And also another tab is that create product in bulk. That is it's a part that you can not just update or just modify it, but create a new items. Create a new items by an Excel file, or by a way that is make it more professional and more handleable. Automations. This is another tab that it's make it possible to automate your work. Your workflow is gonna be automated to be easier, productive, and more, of course, benefits. History, that is a part give you all the modification that you do in your store, if you modify the prices, if you modify the inventories, the exports. That means how many files you download from this export data. Export data, that means you export how many files you downloaded from this tool. Yep. Import, that you create a new yep. If you create a new what can I say? If you create a new product, or I think upload. Yep, upload. And this is the automation tab. This is history of automation. Setting is something you need just to see, understand. You can just configurations and this import. Yes, HTML code, you can make it custom, and the plans, of course. You have a free plan to you can just try and understand how that tool work. After that, you can upgrade to basic plan or premier plan. So let's do an example from this tool to understand them more and more. Here in my store now, I have 6 products. I didn't do any filter, so then this is a panel that give you how many filters you applied in your research. What I need to do now. So I'm gonna now explain the edit products from this tool. Like now I want to change the title of this product and the price and the number of inventory. Or let's start by one. So now to edit this item, I need to select it and go here in edit selected items. When I click on it, now if I want to change the title, I'm gonna here choose title, and now this is the original title, is 1 t-shirts. I'm gonna put like here copy 1 t-shirts, men, for example. To do the change, you need to hit apply changes. That means the change is succeed. So now if I return to this product menu or product manager, I'm gonna find the update 1 t-shirts / men. So if I want to change the price by the same thing, I need to go to apply change. Here I'm gonna go to the price. Here price. Now is 500. Set a value. So I'm gonna like put 400. And this is for to be like to be like when you put 999.999. So it's good. Like you can do it also here, like here. Like if I want to put here 99.99, and I'm gonna hit apply change. By the same way, you can modify any product in your store, but also you can change this thing by another way. You can apply this thing in all on all your items in the store by just select and go to edit panel to edit the product. So now here we have bulk updates. That's another way to modify your items, like modify the titles, modify the prices by this way, by Excel file. So how can we do? So before, we need to choose the items that we want to. Here we need to have like we need to choose the products that we want to change. We go to the. So I'm gonna go to the export data or product export. So here I'm gonna explain anything to you, all this thing to you. Here the name of the file that you want to download, the name of the title, that is the extension. I'm gonna download an Excel file. So here is the identity of the products. For example, any product here have an identity, barcode or SKU. So here you can choose the type of the identity. Here I'm gonna choose, for example, the barcode. Yep, I'm gonna here choose the barcode. So what information I want in my Excel file? I'm gonna select the the category, the title. Where is the title? Yep, the title, like the total inventory, the same thing. I'm gonna go here to the selling price. That's it. I'm gonna select after that the products. So for example, I'm gonna select these two products. Done. And now I'm gonna hit generate spreadsheet. Yep. When it's finished, you're gonna hit download, save it, and you need to open it. So now I'm gonna show you this. Like now, you see that the barcode is the part that define the product, like the identity of the product. This part is impossible to change anything. If you change anything, it's failed to update, because this link is the way that the two link the change with the products. Like, understand that the category, the inventory, and the title, and the pricing, and the total inventory. Of course, this is the place. This is inventory is the place. So, like for example, I want to change the inventory here from 1 to 5,000, and here I want to change to 10 to 100. So this is the title. I'm gonna here put like I'm gonna save it. Here I'm gonna change the price to 250, and is the same thing here. Is the same. You need to copy it. Copy. Oh, good. So now I do the changes. I need to save it. I'm gonna hit save. The file is saved. Now I'm gonna go to the bulk update. So now I need to do an update. How? I'm gonna go to the click. I'm gonna select the test file that I do the modification in. So let's go. I'm gonna hit next map. I'm gonna make sure that all the products is correct, all the information, the inventory that I change, the price, and also here's the inventory. So I'm gonna hit process updates. It's gonna take a lot, some time, but it's it. Now is the number of the action. 2 action succeed, 0 fail, 0 skipped. So now if I want to go to the product to see if the update is made successfully or not. So here we see that the inventory is 500. Let's make it true, so it's good. No, sorry. So it make it good, it succeed, and also the like here is the value of the whole of the inventory. Yep, that's it. I think now it's good. Here the update is good, and also here the 100. Now I explain to you how to do an update in your store. So now I explain to you how to do an product export. You can export all the information from your store You can choose the extension of the files, Excel file or CSV. The barcode is here, the identity. You can have also SKU or product ID. Is the same principle. So now here I want to create a new product. So to create a new product, I need also a how can I say? I need a file that can create a new items in my store. The file is like here. Is probably is it's the same thing. So now I'm gonna here hit copy and Ctrl V, Ctrl no, sorry. So like here, I'm gonna delete all this thing. I'm gonna delete all this thing. I'm gonna delete it, all of them. The barcode is I'm gonna doesn't change any barcode. So I'm gonna put it here. The category is the same. So inventory, like I put here 5 and 5, like the t-shirts, it's gonna be like I'm gonna change this to just t-shirt. Here is t-shirt man, no, woman is woman, for example, woman. Here is I'm gonna make it hello. For example, the prices I'm gonna put for example, all of them is the same price. All of them is the same price, for example. For example, all of them is the same price. Yep. Total inventory, I'm gonna do copy and paste, Control V. So now I do this thing. I'm gonna hit save. I'm gonna go to the update sheet. I'm gonna select the product. This is statue if you want to make it like published in the same time, or make it a draft, and after that modified, and after that change a lot of things. You didn't hit anything to save the information of the product, and now you need to do to hit start import. Start import. So now it takes some time, but it's gonna be good. So 3 actions succeed. So I create this products, the 3 products I create. So here, I think you see it here, I create the t-shirt woman that I here and here and here, and the hello one active, and the price, and the price is here also. It's all this thing clear. That's why we can create a new items from Excel file, that it make it more professional. Like if you want to create 1000 products, you didn't need to use everything by you need to click one by one, create every product, and hit save, and do a lot of steps. You can just run one Excel file, have a lot of products. Excel files, you can maybe take 100, 1000, 10,000 products, and you want to export in the same time. It's gonna be easy success and more professional. So like this is how to create a product. And if you want to teach, of course, you're gonna enter to the product and maybe you're gonna do anything that you want. You hit here, you're gonna probably do your description like 1 2 3, I don't know, import your image, just or yep your image or your video or your 3D model, of course, uh, to like to preview your item, the price here, the SKU. You can add SKU here for example is 155. I don't know anything. Tie is the size that you can, if it has a size like a t-shirt, maybe small, medium, or large, something like that. Anything, you can change anything from here. That's it. That's how we can get a product from bulk product editor, highlight bulk product editor. It's so easy, of course. What is the next panel? Idea products. And the I think that I need to show you the filters. I didn't show you the filters, I think. Yep. So I'm gonna put a filter here to show you how that thing work. Add a filter. Products, titles, like here. So I put a filter here. So this is how many products match my filter is 7, is and how many filter apply. That's how it work. The automation tab, it's also talk, it's probably make it easy how to you can manage your Shopify store by just have like if you know how to do automation, you can easy manage your store. How? By like modifying the price or the tax or add new item to your store. By just automation, you can automate your store to make a lot of benefit, make a lot of profit, make a lot of sales. Here also can be, it's just here you can create like automation, but is a schedule. That mean in the future it's gonna be applied in the future. I remember something here. If you do a change in your sum in one of your products, or you do a lot of changes, but like here, if like I do a change and after that I'm gonna hit schedule edit, that's me, I'm gonna publish this edit, or I'm gonna the edit it's gonna be due in this time. I'm gonna choose this time, like date, the time, and the time zone, of course. That is make it like for example, if we have a Black Friday or the start of the year or the end of the year, or the any time that could be have like uh, the reduce of price, or you need to do an update, that it make it easy by schedule edit. Like, I don't know if you want to like reduce the price because we have a Black Friday, so you're gonna reduce 50% of the price, and yep, like that. So we still have a important panel. It is the history panel. So here give you the history of the edit panel that we have here. It give you that the it give you the price, the new value that I do, the t-shirt man that I did the change, and here it give you the import. Like here test, like I'll do right now test. Like when I download I choose this one, this one, this one here. Yep, this one here. Import is that when I import a new uh, file from my computer to the tool to do a modification, like when I change the prices, the inventory, the a lot of things, a lot of information. Give you the here I can. So I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna hit here undo. Like, wait, product here. Look how I create this tree. So now I'm gonna go to the history. I'm gonna go to the import, and I'm gonna hit undo edit. Okay. So now if I'm go to the products, look, the new products is disappear. Why? This tool is make it possible to return to the back to the step before. Why? Because if you do a big mistake, if you do a big false, or errors, that's you need to change, or you need to edit this false, and after that upload and again the file. It's make it possible by just like not refund, but take a step back to this here. So here, what is the hello item, the other items? Wait, I'm gonna open the here to show you what is this items. It disappear. Why? Because I click in do. So now it's the last thing. I'm gonna show you the prices here, or the plans. You have a free plan. You can just try the products, or try some criteria, or some like a small thing of the tool. And the basic plan, it's if it is good. Also the premier plan is also good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm really happy to talk with you guys. uh, I hope you understand anything. I hope you understand the tool, that is powerful tool that give you a lot of value, give you a lot of information, and give you a lot of accessibility to your store. Thank you for your watching, and goodbye.